What are you screeching about? Luke! Luke! Why are you screaming? What are you looking at? You're screaming at your fish? Are you screaming at the fish? What'd they do?
What's your walk?
Asking Luke why he's screaming.
He wants to watch TV. That's why he's.
Oh, babies don't need no TV. Yeah, the baby doesn't need any TV. All right, Luke. Well, Logan, watch out. Luke! Luke! Hey, say bye. Bye. Screechy boy.